So I've been getting a lot of love on my Crep Chief Notify videos, and I wanted to make this video specifically for one topic on Crep Chief Notify, and a mistake I made and I'm still making, and something you need to watch out for in Crep Chief Notify. So before we get in any further into this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, guys, like this video, and any questions you have about Crep Chief Notify or anything at all, make sure you put in the comments. I'll try my best to answer them. It's going to be researching products. That is all this video is going to be on about, and Tom was going to talk about that specifically, why you need to do it. Crep Chief Notify, I don't know how it works. It's very simple. They send you links to products, you buy them and resell them for more. That is as simple as they'll make it. You can either do that in the Discord server or you can do it on the app. Now, I would personally, I like the way the app tells me and notifies me, but I'll never just click on the app and buy straight from the app. What I'll do is I'll see it'll come in, see that product. I will then go to the Discord. And in the Discord, what they do is they tell you, let me move over, I'll have it here showing somewhere for you. And what they'll do is in there, they will show you the current retail price and then how much it's selling for on eBay. And then they give you a link where you can actually go on eBay and see yourself how much it's selling for. Now, you need to do this every single time they send the products, trust me. Because must have bought now 3 or 4 products that they've sent through on the app, clicked it, bought it, had it delivered to my house, and then when I've got it, I've gone to eBay and gone, wait, this is like selling for under the retail price. This is selling for less than I bought the product for. And it happened numerous times, and I've had to send the product back. So to save yourself the time, the effort, and keep the money in your pocket, don't do that. Wait for them to send you a link on the app, so have your notifications on your phone ready, so that way you don't miss it, because sometimes Discord doesn't send you every single notification. When it comes through, go straight to Discord quick. It only take you like an extra 10 seconds, but do it. Go straight to Discord, find that product on the Discord server, click it, see the sold listings, make sure it's actually selling for more than you're buying it for. Then go to a eBay fees calculator. I also link it in the description below, so you can go straight to that exact one, the same one I use. Put the retail price, the sale price, and then the shipping cost. I personally make the eBay buyer pay for the shipping, but obviously you might not sell all the products onto eBay. You might sell them onto Facebook, you might sell them onto Gumtree, you might sell them onto Vinted, Depop, whatever it is, whatever you want. However, do some sort of calculation, make sure it's worth it before you buy it. That is pretty much it. That is the big tip I have with Crep Chief Notify, and one of my biggest pet peeves with Crep Chief Notify. Obviously, majority of the time, they are right, and when they send you it, you are safe to buy it, but I would do it anyway, just in case. I've learned that the hard way by buying products and having to send them back. It's not worth it. You might as well just save yourself the effort, save yourself the time, and just double check. So I hope that helps. I hope that's a good tip for you. Make sure you like this video, guys. Subscribe to my channel. Any questions again you have about either the research or Crep Chief Notify in general, leave them in the description. No, leave them in the comments below, and I'll get back to you. It's been your boy Daniel. Peace.